How can brands drive true authenticity with influencers while still retaining commerciality? So like, how do we make money through influencers without putting our consumers off?
By giving the influencer 100% autonomy and eliminating our egos as brands and thinking that we know exactly what it stands for and what it means. I think what the biggest eye-opener to me in corporate America and brand world is the level of ideology and audacity and ego. Like the thought that, like, for all the normal people here, Coca-Cola and Heineken and Adidas think that the brand means the same thing to all of you. And that's just laughable. Everybody here, when I say the word Supreme or Kentucky Fried Chicken, are thinking different things. Disgusting, awesome, rad, I don't know what that is. And so there's an ideology that brand managers and CMOs in corporate America have about what their brand stands for. If you're gonna do influencer marketing, what you need to do is you need to buy sponsorship through influencers at a good deal. They know their audience. If he decided he wanted to do that, any of you, you know your audience. And so if your interpretation of this chocolate shake or sneaker or blow dryer is it needs to be funny and snarky, that's exactly as a brand what you want. You're giving him, me, somebody else money so that you have something happen for your business. Stella wants business. The best thing for Stella to do is get out of the way. They, much like the small business question, they're in charge of picking him. You picked the influencer. You've decided that influencer is somebody I want because she's so fucking awesome. I want to give her money so I sell shit. Why are you micromanaging her and telling her like, you better use the word great? I've never used the word, I've never done a sponsorship deal in my life and I have big audiences. There's a couple reasons. It's not how I think about my brand and it's not what I do. But even like the K-Swiss thing, that's a partnership, right? But when I signed my K-Swiss deal, the most interesting part of the negotiation was the standard deal. Do you have a sneaker deal? Great. So the standard deal is like, motherfucker, you don't wear anything else. I literally at the 11th hour walked from the K-Swiss deal because I wanted to wear whatever I wanted to wear. Like if I wanted to wear Air Force Ones, which I like to wear quite a bit, like I needed the authenticity of me. I didn't need the economics enough. And I think that's the best influencer, not the worst, because we smell out bullshit. We're very, very good at it. You could trick us for a minute, but not for an hour, and definitely not for a year. And so I think that, brands need to check their egos and get out of the way. Much like I told that young man, you're in control. You can say, no, I don't want to work with you anymore, right? Brands don't have to pick the influencer, but once they pick it, they need to get out of the way and let the influencer do their thing. That's the reason you picked them in the first place.